Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about some of my concept drawing that I will show you later in the video. We'll talk a little bit about the news today, maybe some tech related news, some video game related news, and why not other kind of topics. For now, look at my background. Look at my background. Isn't this beautiful? Ta-da! Colors, my friends, colors. We are trying to improve the channel over here. What do you think? Does it look good? Look bad? Trying to improve. Thank you for your feedback. So first, on the topic of some conceptual drawings I made this week, there's this here, no, this way, sorry, this way. We are going to show you a concept of bad guys. One of the bad guys of the story, the universe I'm working on. It's a trope. You could tell it's a trope. It's not the first time it might be used in anything. We are going to talk about medieval German armor, or the Vergessen Reich. I call this the Vergessen Reich. The translation from German might be the Forgotten Empire. Yes, the Third Reich, the Vergessen Reich. Donc, the so it's basically the Null Reich, the Reich before the Reich. That's completely stupid. Anyway, I'm going to show you the picture, the drawing. It's conceptual, so it doesn't have color. It only has line art. Here it is. Here we go. So as you can see, it's I won't use the term the word N to not be demonetized, but it's fairly close to that. Those are obviously enemies. For my story, it won't be the only enemies in this story because this thing is a little bit easy to do. But if you have an original take on it, it might get interesting. I do believe you can medievalize, fantastic medievalize a lot of things, and dark fantasize a lot of things with these bad guys, and I'm looking forward to this. Anyway, on the same topic, I had this drawing that I wanted to show you. I begin this drawing on a live stream earlier this week. It was going to be a representation of a battle against these guys, against the Vergessen Reich. You can see there you have the bad guys confronting the main character there. So yeah, it's basically that. I told you I was going to show you my progress of my drawing once or twice a week this way. The evolution of what I am doing. I just think the canon here is not very well structured on the picture, and I have to rework a little bit these guys there and find a better background for this thing. I'm trying to not focus too much on the quality or the I have a problem because I'm never satisfied of anything I draw. But this time I want to finish something and be okay with it. So that's that. That's what I wanted to tell about my drawings this week. We're going to go over other topics now. Now that is out of the way. Anyway, I had to face my worst enemy. I had to face internet comments. Uh, on one serious topic. My chub, I wait. Yes, I'm not the thinnest person alive, as you may see. Look at this thickness. Look at this man, this thick double chin, right? I'm not the lightest person around. I really wish I could do more exercise. I really wish I could be in a better shape. I'm trying to work over that slowly but surely. I already reduced a lot of my intake. I'm trying to walk a little bit more every day, even if I limp and it causes me a lot of pain. I try to move my ass, even if it doesn't look like it. So thank you for this wonderful comment there. Yeah, you recognize yourself. Okay, I'm not even taking offense about that. It's alright. I know I'm overweight. I know I have to work my ass off of it, or I won't live old enough. Look at this background. Look at this background. Full of colors. Full of colors. Pretty proud of myself. You can tell. No. Oh, here's the dog. His name is Aaron. It's my dog. Yeah. What's going on? What's the matter? You worried about me? Come on. Come on. Daddy must make a video. Sorry for this interruption. It was totally not controlled from my part. He came out of the kitchen. I wouldn't cut it from the video. I will let it raw. Why not? It's only a dog, yeah. So, on the topic of tech news, the launch of Ryzen mobile APUs are coming soon. I'm pretty excited for it because I always envisioned a kind of two-in-one tablets with an AMD APU in it. I don't know if you see the thing Surface for example for a Surface Pro 4 with a little bit more than 1 teraflops of GPU power in it. You can game on almost every PC game that is out there on medium lowest settings, but it could provide a good gaming experience on a very small form factor. That's, that's pretty good. And as we've seen the first leaks about this Ryzen APU, the Ryzen mobile APU, it looks really promising. The Intel HD 6020 620 is 38% less efficient than the RX Vega Mobile 10 in this mobile APU. So it's how I came to the conclusion with a little bit of maths magics that it should cross the 1.1 teraflops of GPU power. I'm really looking forward to the first benchmarks and the video game benchmark on this tablet, because I'm someone that is very stoked about the new technologies and following what this particular segment of the industry is doing. I'm following many things on Twitter, on Reddit, and I keep myself up to date about this. I'm not really concerned about the launch of the 1070 Ti. I don't really see the purpose of this card right now. Between RX Vega 56, RX Vega 64, the the price drop of the 1080, the price drop of the 1070, and the fact the clock speed is locked on IB card and only locked on the Founders Edition. It doesn't bode well. I don't know. I'm not particularly interested in this product. I'm currently using a laptop, a Yeoman HP, um, I believe it is called 70 inch screen. There's a GTX 1070 in it, an i7 6060, no, 6600K, okay, so it's called, and it does the job. Even though it's limited by a little bit of throttling, the turbo boost clock is not going over 3.2 gigahertz, and I think I can't feel it in OBS while I'm streaming. I lose many frames. Not all the time, but I'm surprised I'm losing so much frames while streaming what I draw. It's a little bit uncomfortable for me. So I will be looking forward building a complete tower. Maybe it will mitigate some of this problem. I don't believe it will. So there's that for the tech news. On my side, anyway, I'm only excited for Ryzen Mobile at this time. I don't really, I'm not really excited about the new CPU Intel is putting out, because it's at most it's 6 core, 12 thread. When AMD is delivering 8 core, 16 thread. I'm all about productivity, creativity, so it's not focused at me, not in my direction. It's not looking towards me when Intel does pretty expensive 6 cores. Okay, sorry. So this wraps the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this little video I put together. I'm learning about cutting and pasting things, video editing, to make my video a little bit more interesting, because I must admit, most of my older videos are really, some of them are kind of boring. It's only me drawing things, and there's no sound or there's music. I got uh, I got a little bit of copyright strike because sometimes I forget to uh, cut the ads on the video. I used to take copyright-free sounds out of it, so I must be more careful. Um, if you have anything to ask, comment down below. I will be glad to interact with you guys. Um, I will continue drawing this week too. Um, I've forgotten an update on my health condition and what I'm going through. So I've gone to the psychiatrist today, and I discovered things I didn't really know, but I was aware of it, but I didn't have the words on what was happening to me. I have pretty deep anxiety disorders, anxiety, depressive anxiety. It's linked to depression anyway. So sometimes I feel really down. I have a hard time. I try. Some people say, but just kick, kick your ass cheeks and get up. But it's not as easy as this. I try very hard. I'm getting up. I'm trying to walk. But okay, that's that's that was the update for the mental health day. I skipped. I couldn't be on time. It was the 10th of October. We are at the end of the month, so that's that. Yeah, I'm sorry for the terrible lightning right now. It's a yellowish tint because these are LED bulb and it doesn't look very professional. Nothing looks very professional right now on my channel anyway. It will be like this for a while. Anyway, if you want to improve, you need a little bit of funds. And it will come later. Uh, Yesterday, I just got monetized. Yay! Yay, my channel is monetized. And I won 21 cents. Hey, yeah. it's, it's okay. Anyway, I'm not really counting on monetization or money on this channel. It's about my passion and absolutely sharing my drawings. I, I was doing the comparison last day. I was taking a look at my DeviantArt, which I was on for 7 or 8 years. And on 9 years, I only had like 7K, 7,000, 7K views, 7,000 views. And in less than a month on YouTube, I got more than 10K, 11K views. Yes, on YouTube. So that's that. So yeah, yes. Let's wrap this video here. Thank you for watching. And, Imaginal, I always miss my outro. Imagine Alex out. See ya.